SONY Xperia XZ3 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's use the apps icon, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's scroll down and choose system. Here choose languages and input and select languages one more time. As you can see, right now I'm using English from United States. But in order to change language, you need to tap add a language, and here you should find the full list of available languages. In my case, let me select the Espanol, so the Spanish version. Tap Espanol, choose your region, it could be España in my case. Now you need to place Espanol into the first position, and as you may notice right now, your device is using the Spanish version of the device. And if you would like to go back to previous one, let's choose Ajustes, scroll down, tap Sistema, choose here the idiomas in traducción de texto, tap idiomas again and place English into the first position. That's it, right now you are using the English version of your phone. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.